In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the date format in Google Sheets. Whether you're organizing data for a report or trying to keep your calendar entries neat, knowing how to customize date formats is an essential skill. So, let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. To begin, you'll need to open your Google Sheet where you want to make this change. Google Sheets is user-friendly, but if it's your first time, you'll find it easily accessible through your Google Drive. Once you have your spreadsheet open, it's time to start formatting dates the way you want. Now that your Google Sheet is ready, look for the cells containing the dates you want to reformat. Click and drag your mouse over the range of cells you want to change. This will highlight those cells and include them in the format update. If you're dealing with a large data set, you can also select an entire column by clicking on the column header at the top. Once you have your selected range, take a look at the top menu bar and locate the Format tab. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. This menu holds various formatting options, but for our goal today, we'll focus on the date formats. By clicking Format, you're setting the stage for customizing how your dates will appear. Next, within that same drop-down, you'll see an option labeled Number. Go ahead and click it. Selecting Number will reveal even more specific formatting choices. The power of spreadsheets lies in these details, allowing you to present your data in a way that's both functional and appealing. Within the Number menu, look for Custom Date and Time. Click on it to open the Format Editor. This feature lets you craft bespoke date formats to meet your exact needs. It's perfect for aligning your spreadsheet with local standards or your personal preferences. Now, you'll see various predefined date formats. Navigate to the option that says Month, Day, Year. This is a common format in many places, but remember, you can adjust it further if needed. Selecting it provides a clear chronological order that's easy to read. After you've chosen your desired format, you're almost done. Simply find and click the Apply button. This action commits your changes, instantly updating your selected cells to the new format. And there you have it. The dates in your Google Sheet now follow the format you specified. Whether you're managing personal schedules or collaborating on professional data, being able to customize date formats in Google Sheets is a valuable skill. Thanks for watching today's tutorial on changing date formats in Google Sheets. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more valuable tips and tricks. Remember, a well-organized spreadsheet is crucial for both analysis and presentation. See you next time.